guys, how's it going and welcome back. So, a little unboxing for you. Went into North Bay today and did a bit of shopping and stuff we needed. So one of our stops, of course, was Canadian Tire because I had to get a 15mm socket. But I found this little kit here for $5. It's got like 4 different stars and a bunch of Robinson bits. Kind of nice. It's got a little cabinier and they stay in there. Maximum series, on sale for $5 for 10 of them. Not a bad deal. But the main part of this event is the Mastercraft Maximum tap and die set. If you look through my channel, a number of years ago, I had the 76-piece set. When I had my machine shop, it was a really nice set, and I got it on sale actually for $50, which was like a steal. Nowadays, you're going to pay like $150 some for that set without the sale price. And I was in the one pawn shop today and saw the same kit, and I was like, hey, cool. So I checked it out. Looks like the person bought it, never even touched it, and the pawn shop had it on sale for $65, and I almost went for it. But then I thought to myself, well, let me think about this. I'm going to go to Canadian Tire and see, and maybe they got a sale on the same kit. Well, they didn't. And but I got wise because the last time, you know, I went and I bought, and then I screwed myself because I ended up going to, you know, the store where they sold the same thing, and I could have got it actually for less money. So this time I got wise and thought, okay, I'm not going to do that this time. This time I want to look. So my wife spotted that this one, somebody actually must have put this and hit it in the corner. But it was on sale today. This is normally $200 for this kit, and it was on sale for $103. And this is the Maximum series, which is all titanium, and it's also 86 pieces, which goes right up to a 5/8. Get this off of here. So you've got all this stuff, including a monster tap handle, plus the smaller standard size, and then of course you've got the little small T-handle system one, and all your sizes here up to your 5/8. And I thought, wow, for going up to 5/8, that's pretty awesome. Well, then you take up the next layer, and you've got all your dies with two die handles, a monster one, and then your standard normal size. So there's quite a bit more in this kit. Plus this is an aluminum case, or actually not aluminum, sorry, it's a steel case. So it's a steel case, steel handles, steel latches, titanium coated kit, and hexes, which is great because the benefit to the hex system is you only got one screw to worry about, and for tightening in your dies with, instead of the 3 screws on the 76-piece kit, which tend to be a bit of a pain in the neck. But the other thing that was a pain about that kit was on the die handle, it had like a rotary thing, so you could only go up to a certain size hole, which was fine, but it was supposed to help keep alignment of your thing you're threading into, and it's like totally useless. I always ripped it off, left it to the side, and it's like, I'm not using that garbage. This is what a real tap handle should be like, you know, or die handle in this case, you know, so that you don't have all that crap up top, and you know, one screw holds it in. So you can put your die in any way you want because it's, you know, it's the hex, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, 6-sided, so hex. But really nice. That's a really nice handle. I like that. But the big thing I like is it goes to all the same sizes as the 76-piece kit, plus it goes to even bigger, which is like total bonus. I really like that. That's great. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have this kit for a long time. When I got out of machining and all that stuff, I'd gotten rid of my kit, and I've been wanting another one because now that I'm getting into not only repairing guitars, but I'm going to start building ukuleles and hopefully eventually get into building guitars. I'm going to need taps and dies for some of the stuff that I need to do on guitars. And if I do have any other projects, then, you know, fine, I've got the equipment now and every size I'm ever going to need. So that's really great. So for $103 for all that, and it's the Maximum series. It's awesome. Now it does have also a lifetime warranty. You get a lifetime warranty on the 76-piece kit too. But just keep in mind, it doesn't go to as big a sizes. So if you're looking for something with more size, this definitely has it. And I mean, you look at retail, the 76 piece kit's about 100. I think it's like 153 bucks or something. It's 150 something, and this is normally 199. So for a few dollars more, you get so much more. Instead of a plastic case, you get this. It's a steel case. You got the, you know, a lot of extra parts in this, plus it's titanium coated, so it's much better quality dies and taps, which is a big thing too. So better cutting threads. The only thing I forgot to pick up today was actually some cutting fluid, which I can grab that at my local hardware store, no big deal. Or I can use WD-40 in the meantime. That works actually as a cutting fluid too, because whenever you're cutting into like aluminum, brass, bronze, any kind of steels, whether they're furious steels or mild steels, that sort of stuff, you do have to use cutting fluid to make things go better. Otherwise, you can actually wreck your taps and dies. But you know, you can actually get away with WD-40. It can actually work. I just, you know, wouldn't recommend it as a full-time thing to do. I'd rather get the proper cutting fluid, because there is a chemical reaction that happens with cutting fluid that doesn't happen with WD-40. So, but great little kit, I think. Can't wait to get use of it. Now the other thing with taps and dies too, a lot of people think it's limited to metals, and it's not. You can actually use these kits with wood, plastics, you know, other materials. You don't have to be stuck with just metals. I actually have a lot of dowel rods that I could use, and I could thread those, you know, do threading on them to make whatever kind of project with wood, you know, and have pieces that thread together, you know, which is great. So, and I can go up to a 5/8 diameter tap and die. So hey, that's awesome. So great deal from Canadian Tire, guys. Take a look at it. Check out their website. I don't know when the sale's ending, but it's not often you're going to actually see this particular kit at $103, and I don't think you're going to see it at much lower of a price. But I mean, they rotate a lot of their sales, but once every 5 weeks, I think it is, you get for something like this. But you never know. But this was actually the last kit too, and where it was sitting, it looked like somebody hit it there because they were going to think about coming back for it. Well, sorry bud, but I got it. So there you go. 86-piece kit, and it's SAE and metric both. And of course you do have that lifetime warranty, so if anything breaks, then it's covered. So that's good. You know, I like that. But anyways, that's all I got for you for an unboxing today. And like I said, I got these bits. These are on sale for $5. There was different varieties. You can get like every single size of Robinson bit. Well, at least 10 sizes anyways, for sure, that they had in the other package. There was a pack of 10 Robinsons, so all different sizes. This, I just needed the Robinson ones and the Phillips, because my Phillips ones, I've been using these cheaper ones here, and they work for quite a while. I actually want to get Torx ones like this, but they do wear out a lot quicker than what these will. These are actually a lot heavier duty, and again, they're the Maximum series too. And it's something new for me to try out. I've never tried these before, but you know, from what I'm looking at through the package, it looks like they're going to be pretty good. It's S2 tool steel, so it is actually good steel. Maximum durability for longer life. Color-coded bits for easy identification. That's pretty much about it. So you got 4 Phillips heads that they all actually look to be the same head, so they're all white. So yeah, color-coded, they're all white, they're all the same. Your Robinsons, you got 3 reds, 1 green, a yellow, and a black. So, voila, not bad. Good deal there too. Not bad for $6. But this was a great, awesome deal at $103. I couldn't say no. I almost walked out of there and thought, well, you know, but I figured, you know, the pawn shop wanted $65 for the 76-piece kit. It's a pretty good kit. I'm not saying it's a bad kit. It's a really good kit. but when I figured out it's another $38 and change, and I got this, and this is like 10 times better and a lot bigger variety of sizes too. So that's definitely worth going to this kit over the 76 piece any day. And like I said, when you figure out retail of 150 something for the 76 versus 200 at this, you know, even retail 200 is still a pretty darn good deal for this either way. But I don't like to pay retail if I can get away with it. I'd rather get stuff on sale. Works better for me. But anyhow, there you go. Stay tuned for more. Eventually I will have an actual full review on this once I've tried out a few taps and dies to see how well they really are, but from what I'm seeing they are really good. And I do have a review coming up on the bench grinder that I got that you guys have probably seen on my channel already from the other day, and it's all fully assembled, and I just have to do some reinforcement on that table because right now it's a 3/4 floater table. So I got to stiffen it up and then mount the grinder, and then voila. So anyways, thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one. Ciao for now.